Hi guys, welcome back, and it's Millie, and today we're gonna be doing my nails. It has been 3 weeks and I need to take them off, and I did do acetone this time because I didn't have any last week or the last time when I did it. And we're gonna be doing these nails. Let's get to it. I'm gonna be removing them with acetone today, and I already did this side so we cut more time for this video. So we're gonna remove my 3-week-old nails. And if you haven't watched the video, it's gonna be linked down below. So I'm going to be using my nail drill. If you don't have one, you can always use a file. If you're not used to it, you can hold it like a pencil, but it's a lot easier for me when I'm only moving my actual hand. So I just got rid of the first layer. Now I have like pre-cut little paper towels, and we were just gonna use 100% nail polish remover, which is acetone. And make sure you, if you guys don't have like those clamps, I do use tin foil. Oh, this is self-explanatory. If you guys haven't done this already before, you just soak it. You can put a little bit at the beginning. Try not to like fully like drain it, drench it, because it will get everywhere. And be careful of it tipping and everything. So I hold it down like this, place it down on the nail, curve it one way, and then you bring the top part up, and that's it. Alright, so I always have my nail clippers on hand, as well as a metal tool, or you can use the wooden stick. Right now it's in like a weird state, which is getting rid of that first layer. If you guys don't have acetone, good luck. Or you could do the other way that I've done it before, which you file a lot and then make sure it lips, and then you cut that away. You could also, I totally forgot that you can cut off the sides right next to your natural nail. You see how like flexible this is? The Gel X nail tip comes like, it gets off so easily because it's made out of gel. Okay, so after it's all done, I do trim them down, my nails. Do a little pump, and then I do clean it. Each nail. I'm gonna use a wooden cuticle stick. I'm gonna use the 180 grit, not the 100, because that's the strongest that I have. This is softer, that you can use on your natural nail. And I'm just doing it to remove the shine. Okay, next I just put on my gloves just to be safe, because I totally forgot halfway last time. Or you can use some sunscreen. But now we're gonna do my
next I'm going to be taking my nail drill, and I'm going to be filing off the shiny side onto
I am
the
using a medium
and this
oval,
makes the nails
so they're gonna be a lot longer this time for me.
Likely to pop
Make
off.
sure it hits to sidewall when you press it down, so this one's gonna work.
Next, I'm going to be taking my Care Sky Bond, which is like a primer. You can always use another one other than this one, but I've been using this for a couple of years, and this is my favorite. Next, I'm going to be taking a gel base coat. I'm using the Beatles one. If you guys have a different one, that'll be fine. And then after that, we're going to be curing that for 60 seconds. Next step is to do builder gel onto the actual tip. There's a certain technique that I do. You flood the back of the tip, and then you place it on so it can go all the way to the tip of your natural fingers. Then I do a flash clear for like 30 seconds.
Okay, so after that is all on my nails, after all of it's put on my nails, I take a buffer and I buff it. You don't have to do this, or you can use a filer so the actual nail polish can cure better so it doesn't rip off. I'm gonna replicate these nails. Got this from Instagram. I am nail. It's like Korean, I believe. And they're so cute. They're like great for summer. Okay, I'm gonna use this. It's a 16. This brand, I don't really know how to say it. I'm gonna do one coat. It was a little bit too like really pink. Put it in for 60 seconds. Okay, so I am going to use some of these glitter ones into different fingers from the reference photo. This is like a cat eye. It's going to be spread out everywhere, maybe like an ombre. So I'm going to do some French tip, put a little bit on my silicone mat. It's better to do it that way. And I always use the longer side of this brush. It's easier to do it that way.
Now I am doing a flower.
Okay, this kind of took forever to do. This is how I got my French tip to be. I didn't want it to go lower, but for the sake of it, I know for a fact that I'm going to be painting on some overlapping, so it's going to look a little bit different. Okay, so I did cure the flower that I did. Oh my god. I'll put a little bit right here for blue. We're going to do green. I like the pastel colors. If I can even open it. Okay. Something like this. Like that. Something like that. That's cute. Now we nuke it. Now I'm gonna do the other finger, my pointer finger. We're gonna do the petal with, oh my god. I cured the blue right here, but it's whatever. I kinda don't like this. This is the one thing I love about gel, that you can do that. In the lamp. Now I'm gonna use these. I'm gonna place them on the nails. So it's gonna be a little bit harder to get. There you go. Okay. Now I'm gonna do top coat. are so dirty. I just finished. I'm just gonna put some alcohol on it just in case. Then we get to clean it. Our tools. I hope you guys enjoyed today's nails. I'm gonna put pictures up here so you guys can get a better look on these bad boys. These things took about me 6 hours in total. So for takeoff, it probably took like an hour-ish. I think drawing my right hand was a little bit difficult. I'm trying to reach 1,000 subscribers, and I am switching up my schedule for uploading. I am only gonna do Fridays because I've been doing my project like almost non-stop, and I might be announcing that pretty soon. And also don't forget to follow my Instagram. Maybe you guys can see a sneak peek on what I've been doing on my bio, so make sure you guys go check that out. And thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace. Take care.